Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading for December. Ayan, so if you are interested in your love life, aring maka-resonate tong reading na to sa inyo. But of course, this is just a general reading. Just take what resonates, okay? Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And this is your Sagittarius bracelet. Ayan. So, perfect pang regalo. So, naka-sale tayo hanggang December 20. So, Sag, let's see. Ano yung parating sa inyong love life, relationships, family, ngayong December for Sagittarius? What's up? Knight of Wands. Merong yung iba sa inyo may umaali-aligid. Or you are connecting with someone, pwedeng kapareho nyo na fire sign. Ano siya? Masaya siyang kasama. Tipong gusto nyong nagta-travel or nagpupunta kung saan-saan, gumigimik. You also have the King of Swords. But I think, no, this can be you. Pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. Kasi meron dito sa relationship na to na medyo skeptical dito sa connection. Kasi ang tingin niya dun sa isa is hindi seryoso. So, pwedeng ikaw yung hindi seryoso sa relationship. You just wanna have fun, enjoy. At yung person mo, yun ang tingin niya sa'yo na parang hindi ka seryoso sa connection ninyo. Or it's the other way around. Ikaw yung parang medyo skeptical sa person na to kasi mukhang nagpapakita siya ng mga red flags. But I think, non-committal kasi. Meron ditong non-committal. Seven of Wands. Yes. Ano siya? Siguro, hindi pa niya pinapakita yung yung totoo niya. Yung totoong intentions niya. So, I think someone here is pinoprotektahan niya yung energies niya. So, pwedeng ikaw, you're protecting your energies towards these people. Kung sino man tong kakonect mo ngayon. You also have the Ten of Cups. You want to experience fulfillment pagdating sa relationship. And kapag nakita mo na medyo alanganin itong person na to, I think ikaw na mismo yung umiiwas. Oh my God. Sagittarius. Two of Cups, the Lovers. I think eventually, no, you will open up with this person. Yung parang iwas na iwas ka pero eventually mafo-fall. May union dito, oh. Nakakaloka. You may be dealing with kapareho mong fire sign or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Love life. Oh my God. Ito yung, oh my God. Four of Wands, Three of Wands. Ang daming partnership. Nakakaloka. So for some of you Sagittarius, ang ngayong December, pagdating sa love life ninyo, you are going to be with someone na may commitment. Oo. Siguro sa tingin mo lang, itong person na to is medyo flaky or hindi ganun kaseryoso. But I think you are dealing with someone na happy-go-lucky, pero seryoso naman siya sa relationship ninyo. Oh my God, big changes are coming in about 6 months. So, kung bagong relationship to or connection within 6 months, you may get into a very serious relationship with this person. Pwedeng may mag-asawa rito within 6 months. Or ma-engage within 6 months. Yeah. This relationship ay may effort dito sa relationship na to. Kahit na yung isa rito medyo skeptical, So, pwedeng ikaw yung skeptical. But, may commitment, may love talaga. Some of you, may celebration. I think something will happen na, lalo na kung medyo alanganin ka dito sa person na to. Tapos, meron tong gagawing action. Meron tong effort na ipapakita sa'yo na hindi ka na makakatanggi, or you feel like mako-convince ka na this person really wants me, no? Really loves me, ganyan. Ice King. This makes sense with the King of Swords and very detached. Oo. Ang lakas ng energy ng air signs dito. Or Capricorn and Aquarius energy. Wealth, luck. I think you are dealing with someone na financially stable sa buhay. Surprises, mahilig magregalo. Ito yung tipong tatahitahimik lang, pero hindi siya ganun ka-expressive ng feelings niya. Kaya parang feeling mo hindi seryoso tong taong to. But this person is very generous. To the point na mafo-fall ka sa person na to because of this person's generosity. And matalino rin siya, no? Very witty, very smart. I daydream about you. Oh my God. See, this person is visualizing your future together. Yes. Grabe yung iba, kung hindi man to diretso sa kasal, pwede rin tong, live in. But this is going to be a very deep connection. Oo. Ayan. Siguro ito yung isa sa nagiging issue ninyo. Yung mga tamang hinala. Or parang you feel like yung isa sa inyo or pareho kayo ay hindi pa ganun ka open sa isa't isa. Yung marami pa kayong gustong alamin. Alam nyo, wala naman kayong kailangan madaliin dito, no? You enjoy the process of getting to know each other. Sa relationship naman ganun eh. Hindi naman pwedeng dahil you are entertaining someone romantically, kailangan within 2 months kilala mo na siya. It's not like that, okay? I am walking home to you. Oh my God, I'm not sure where I am on the path, but I am walking it. Oh my God. Sagittarius, some of you will get into a very serious relationship ngayong December. So, if you are already in a relationship right now, no, mas lalong magiging committed itong relationship na to. Pupunta kayo sa higher level of commitment. So, congratulations. So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.